Small changes, big meanings, how one sound can mean wood, new, fire, or question in Thai. Hello there, wonderful language enthusiasts. Cody here, coming to you with another exciting Thai language adventure. Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating aspects of Thai, how tiny changes in pronunciation can completely transform meanings. Have you ever wondered how a single sound could mean completely different things? Well, in Thai, that happens all the time. And I learned this lesson the hard way. Picture this, I'm standing in a busy Bangkok market, trying to ask a vendor about her new products. But instead of saying new products, I accidentally used the wrong tone and asked about her burning products. The look of confusion on her face quickly turned to laughter as she realized my mistake. That day taught me just how critical Thai tones truly are. Thai is like a musical language where every word plays a specific note. Change the note, and you change the entire meaning. It's both the challenge and the beauty of this incredible language. In today's lesson, we'll explore the fascinating world of the sound mai and its longer cousin mai. These simple sounds can transform to mean wood, new, fire, or even turn a statement into a question, all depending on how you say them. Think of it as having a single key that can open many different doors, just by turning it in slightly different ways. When I first encountered this, it seemed impossibly complex. Now, I see it as the brilliant system that gives Thai its unique rhythm and melody. So get ready to train your ears and your voice as we unlock the mai mystery together. By the end of today's lesson, you'll start hearing Thai in a whole new way, and you'll be one step closer to speaking with the musical flow that makes Thai such a beautiful language. Are you ready for this language adventure? Let's dive in and discover how small changes create big meanings in Thai. Thai language lesson, the mai mystery. How vowel length and tones transform Thai words. Hello there, wonderful language enthusiasts. Cody here, coming to you with another exciting Thai language adventure. As an English linguist who fell head over heels for the Thai language years ago, I'm delighted to share some fascinating insights that will transform your Thai speaking journey. A personal confession. Before we dive in, let me share something with you. When I first started learning Thai, I once tried to ask a market vendor if they had any new products.
สินค้าใหม่
Instead, I accidentally asked if they had any burning products.
สินค้าไหม้
The vendor looked at me with such confusion before bursting into laughter. That day, I learned firsthand how critical Thai tones truly are. The magic of vowel length in Thai. Thai has a fascinating distinction between short and long vowels. This difference might seem subtle to English ears, but it's crucial in Thai. Short vowels, quick, brief sounds, like in bit. Long vowels, extended, stretched sounds, like in beat. Today's word pairs, mai and mai. Let's explore two similar sounding words that showcase both vowel length differences and tonal variations. Short vowel example.
ใหม่
Thai pronunciation.
มะไอ
Romanized, mai, short vowel. Long vowel example.
หมาย
Thai pronunciation.
มาไอ
Romanized, mai, long vowel. Now, let's see how these change with different tones. The 5 tones of Thai. Thai has 5 distinct tones that completely change word meanings. 1. Mid-tone, neutral, even sound. 2. Low tone, low, falling slightly. 3. Falling tone, starts high, drops sharply. 4. High tone, high, steady pitch. 5. Rising tone, starts low, rises up. Short vowel mai with 5 tones.
ใหม่ใหม่ไม่ไหมไหมไม่ไม่ไม่ไหมไหม
1. My mid-tone.
ไม่
Meaning, used as a shortened form of.
ทำไม
which means why. This is very common in everyday speech, especially among friends and in informal settings. Example.
ไม่อะ
Why? Very casual. Common usage, function as part of a negation. There's another important usage I should explain. 2. Mind low tone.
ใหม่
Meaning, new. Example.
นี่คือรถใหม่ของฉัน
This is my new car. Common usage, often paired with words like
ซื้อ
to buy or
สินค้า
products. 3. My falling tone.
ไม่
Meaning, to burn/be burned. Example.
บ้านไม่เมื่อคืน
The house burned last night. Common usage, often used with
ไฟ
fire. 4. My high tone.
ไหม
Meaning, colloquial variant of
ไหม
question particle. Example.
คุณสบายดีไหม
Are you well? Common usage, used at the end of sentences to form yes/no questions. 5. My rising tone.
ไหม
Meaning, question particle or silk. Example.
คุณกินข้าวแล้วไหม
Have you eaten rice yet? Common usage, the most common question particle in Thai, placed at the end of sentences. Long vowel my with 5 tones.
ไม่ 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 ไม่
1. My mid-tone.
ไม่
Meaning, this is not a real Thai word, doesn't have a specific meaning, but it demonstrates the middle tone. Especially among younger generations and on social media, it is frequently used as a direct transliteration of the English word mind. Example.
คุณมาสายนิดหน่อย ไม่เป็นไรไม่ไม่
You're a little late, it's okay, I don't mind. Common usage, informal speech, often used by younger Thais. 2. My low tone.
ไม่
Meaning, no colloquial form of.
ไม่
Example.
ไม่เอาอะ
I don't want it. Common usage, very informal, used among close friends. 3. My falling tone.
ไม่
Meaning, widow or widower. Example.
เขาเป็นไม่
She is a widow. Common usage, often paired with
แม่
mother as
แม่ไม่
widow. 4. My high tone.
ไม้
Meaning, wood, formal, or Thai tone mark. Example.
โต๊ะไม้สวยมาก
The wooden table is very beautiful. Common usage, often used in formal writing or specific contexts about materials. 5. My rising tone.
ไม้
Meaning, to mean, to intend. Example.
นี่หมายความว่าอะไร
What does this mean? Common usage, often part of the compound.
หมายความ
To mean. The crucial importance of getting tones right. In Thai, using the wrong tone can lead to hilarious or embarrassing miscommunications. Imagine these scenarios. Asking for new rice.
ข้าวใหม่
but saying. Burning rice.
ข้าวไหม้
Saying. I want wood.
ฉันต้องการไม้
Instead of. I don't want it.
ฉันไม่ต้องการ
Practical tips for learning Thai tones. 1. Learn words as complete packages, sound plus tone plus meaning plus context. 2. Practice with minimal pairs, words that differ only by tone. 3. Listen to native speakers, train your ear to recognize tone patterns. 4. Record yourself, compare your pronunciation with native speakers. 5. Use hand gestures, draw the tone shapes in the air as you speak. 6. Learn common phrases, words are easier to remember in context. Most common context for today's words.
ใหม่
New often appears in.
เริ่มใหม่
Start anew.
ปีใหม่
New year.
ไหม
Question appears at the end of most yes/no questions.
ไม้
Would common and compound words describing wooden objects.
หมาย
To mean often in expressions like.
หมายถึง
To refer to. A final thought to inspire you. Learning Thai tones is like learning to play a musical instrument. At first, the notes might sound strange and difficult, but with practice, you'll begin to hear the melody in every conversation. Each correctly pronounced tone is a note in the beautiful symphony of Thai communication. Remember, every Thai speaker you meet appreciates your effort to speak their language properly. Your journey to mastering Thai tones isn't just about language acquisition, it's about connecting with the heart and soul of Thailand. So embrace the musical nature of Thai, practice your tones daily, and soon you'll find yourself dancing through conversations with the rhythm and melody that makes Thai such a beautiful language. As we say in Thai,
เรียนภาษาไทยเข้าใจคนไทย
learn Thai language, understand Thai people. Happy tone practicing, everyone. Hey there, language lovers. Cody here. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson about how small changes in pronunciation can create completely different meanings in the Thai language. Isn't it fascinating how one simple sound can transform into words for new, wood, fire, or even turn your sentence into a question? All with just tiny adjustments to your tone and vowel length. Remember my embarrassing market story? That's just one example of how these small pronunciation differences matter in real life. Trust me, you'll have your own funny stories soon enough, they're part of the learning journey. The key takeaway today is that Thai is like music. Each word has its own melody. At first, these tones might feel impossible to master, but I promise, with practice, your ear will start to hear the differences, and your voice will follow. Try practicing with today's examples a few times. Listen closely, then repeat. Record yourself and compare. The more you listen and practice, the more natural it will become. Come back to this video regularly, repetition is your best friend when learning tones. Learning Thai isn't just about memorizing words, it's about connecting with the heart and soul of Thailand. When you get those tones right, you're not just speaking words, you're making music that Thai people will appreciate hearing. If you want to speak Thai like a local, understand the culture deeply, and navigate Thailand with confidence, make sure to follow this channel. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications by pressing the bell, and join our growing community of Thai language learners. Your support helps me create more lessons like this. With your encouragement, we can keep this channel growing and dive even deeper into the beautiful mysteries of the Thai language together. Thanks for watching. See you in our next Thai language adventure.
Like a local.